So this happened this morning. So you're telling me, yeah, because it looked like it. It looked like somebody took all the screws off because there's only one screw right here.
There was two on the floor right here, and I found the other two. They were sitting right there now.
There's no low pressure switch or anything, right?
No.
So
Shouldn't be.
Somebody actually sabotaged it then. That's crazy.
Well, right now we're still not getting any volts to engage the contactor, so that's another.
I don't think it's been 5 minutes yet. That's a first. Maybe open the door. I popped a fuse.
It's possible.
Yeah,
It's definitely possible.
I'm gonna go back up there real quick and take a look.
Yeah, we're gonna be waiting on nothing.